Let us find out the length of the altitude drawn from vertex A on the side BC. We'll now go for a diagram. Let me take a triangle. This is triangle ABC. In this, A coordinates are 4, 2, B coordinates are 4, 5, C coordinates are -2, 2. This is the altitude H. This is side BC base. We know area is equal to half base into height. Therefore, if you take this as delta, height will be equal to 2 into delta divided by base. So, let me calculate the length of base. Length of base is equal to base BC is equal to square root of 4 plus 2 whole square plus 5 minus 2 whole square, that is 6 square plus 3 square, 36 plus 9, 45, or it is root 9 into 5, 3 root 5. Let me take up area of the triangle. This is calculated by, as we have discussed in class, first point 4, 2, second point 4, 5, third point -2, 2, fourth point 4, 2. So when I take up these two, so I have half into 4 into 5 is 20 minus 2 into 4 is 8, and then 4 into 2 is 8 minus 5 into -2 is -10, and then -2 into 2 -4 minus 2 into 4, 8. So when I calculate, I get here 8 gets cancelled, 20 plus 10 minus 12, which gives us half into 18, 9 square units. Therefore, base is equal to, height is equal to 2 into area of triangle by base, which is 2 into 9 by 3 root 5. 3 goes 3 times here. You multiply root 5 both numerator and denominator. So you will get here 6 root 5 by